Summer is here. Are your windows ready? Are they foggy or hard to open or close? Are your old, inefficient windows driving up the temps in your home and raising your energy bills? These are all signs it's time to upgrade your home with beautiful, energy-efficient windows from Allstate's Home Improvement. Our advanced technology windows ensure both durability and the highest efficiency rating. Your new windows will enhance your home's value, provide peace of mind, and help protect your investment. Our professional installers use the highest quality materials, work efficiently, and focus only on your job until completion. Allstate's Home Improvement is highly rated with over 1,000 Google reviews and over 30,000 happy local customers. You can rely on us for your home project. Call us for a free no-obligation consultation.
Don't wait! Take advantage of our summer offer, 25% off materials, and no payments and no interest for 12 months.
Call Allstate's Home Improvement to update your home.
Let our family work for yours.